Hello my friends and welcome back. Today we are showing you 122 piece Thomas canning lids. They claim good sealing, safe material, high and low temperature resistant, BPA free. Let's go ahead and open up this and show you guys what you get. These are 70 mm. They give you a marker, an opener, and the full stack of lids. So this is what they look like. So they're all kind of stuck together. Okay, so that's what that's for. It helps pull them apart. So to know if they actually work really well or not, we're going to have to test them out. But for this video, we're just showing you them. You can date it right there. I do see the seal in the center. They do seem to be pretty good quality. But to really know, you would have to fully test them out. So I'll leave that up to you guys. We're just showing you what they look like. There's underneath them. So here's how it looks on a jar. Standard. Fits perfectly great. So the measurements do line up perfectly. No misalignment. So these are just your standard jar. So overall, that's what they look like, my friends.